So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to trade commodities here on Questrade. And if you guys are new to Questrade, I have a link down below in the description of this video of my referral code. If you use this referral code when signing up, we both get money added to our account, so that's pretty cool there. But to trade commodities here in Questrade, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on buy and sell. Now at the top here, if I were to go ahead and just type in gold, for example, you can't actually buy gold. If you want to go ahead and type in silver as an example, you can't actually buy silver. But another way around that is to buy ETFs of the commodities you're looking to buy. So going back to the gold example, if you wanted to type in ticker symbol CGL, CGL.TO right here. So this is a BlackRock Asset Management iShares Gold ETF. So this is an ETF, gold ETF. So if you wanted to add gold to your portfolios or to your investments, you can purchase this and do it that way. If you wanted to do silver maybe as a commodity, you can go ahead and type in SVR.C and go to the top here. This is a silver ETF. If you wanted to do, what's another one? Maybe an example could be crude oil as an example. You can go ahead and do HUC.TO, and this is crude oil. So variety of different, commodities that you can use. Just you have to go the ETF route. So if you have your ETF selected, for example, we'll do crude oil in this demonstration. Go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can actually review the transaction. So if I were to go to limit and do market right here, at this moment in time, one share of this is about 1975 Canadian. And if you want to proceed, for example, go to the bottom, press on review, and then finalize the transaction that way. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can trade commodities here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.